If you've ever been painting outside in harsh glare, you really do need an umbrella. And the Jerry's adjustable angle umbrella is the perfect painting companion for an outdoor painter. The white nylon material diffuses light easily, but it still keeps your colors true, which can be an issue when you're painting under an umbrella. You need to reduce the glare, but you don't want to absolutely reduce your light. The umbrella is on a steel shaft, so it's very strong and durable. It's got an articulating gooseneck with a strong clamp so that you can move the umbrella back and forth as the light is actually moving with you. It's got double boned ribs for extra durability, plastic caps for protection. Don't want to poke an eye out when you're painting. It provides a 54-inch canopy coverage, which is a lot of square footage for you when you're painting. When the umbrella is closed, it folds down to a 49-inch length, so it's long, slender, and easy for portability. Now, the beauty of this umbrella is that it doesn't just have to be used with a French easel. You can use it with a beach chair, a table at an outdoor show. You can take it virtually anywhere that you want either light diffused or a little bit of protection from the sun. The Jerry's Deluxe adjustable angle umbrella is the perfect painting companion for being outdoors.